So using a web browser in Rave app, so how does it work? I will try to show you in this tutorial how I would do it. Yeah, because honestly, it's a bit confusing in the Rave app to do it. So how it works. So you just tap plus in the bottom right to obviously, just to start a room. And there are plenty of services here: YouTube, Netflix, Prime, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Google Photos, whatever. So from where, if you have an account, you can watch videos. But then also there is a web version. So a lot of people expect that you can basically browse the web and like share screen together on Rave group and just use it that way. But it doesn't work this way. Or that you can watch any videos from web in the Rave app and just create a room with that. It also doesn't work like that. How does it work? If you just tap web, it opens up your Google search button. And then here you can read that web doesn't work with every video. If your video can be played in Rave, a pop-up will appear. So that's the point. So basically, you just, to use it web browser, you just need to search for the content you want to share in a group. And then you will see the list of videos and pop-ups available. And then, then you can just search for it. And then you need to tap on the video and see if pop-up appears. Only if that is appearing, then you will be able to use the video in your group. But basically what it means is that usually it's mostly like either YouTube videos or TikTok videos will have this pop-up. Rarely, if there is some video from some other player, it will also work. So if you really know that the video you want to watch is not on YouTube, is not on TikTok, then you should use this option. Otherwise, just use YouTube and TikTok straight on Rave app, because this is a bit complicated here. So then, for example, I'll just show you what I mean. So I will just try to watch some videos from my YouTube channel. Oops. So here I can just search. And then, for example, I can just tap on videos, and then I can just tap on YouTube. And then here, as you can see, this is the pop-up they're talking about. And then you will see, and you need to tap something like that. And that's basically the idea how you start watching a video from the web. So you need to see this pop-up appearing. And then let's just try, for example, if I wanted to watch some content from the website, but of course only if you own content. Or then, for example, I have my own blog where I also post the videos, but these videos are hosted not on YouTube. They're hosted basically on Humix or some other like video hosting service. Oops. It's a bit annoying, too much ads. But yeah, for example, I have this, and then I have this kind of video. And then here I can also just tap play, and then I can share this video in a group and watch this video together with other people. But again, it might not work. Only if it works, then it's kind of, you can use it. But as you can see, mostly it's still working either with YouTube or TikTok. So, to avoid all the complications, if you just want to watch some videos in groups together and have fun, then just, search in it in YouTube here in the YouTube button, and then you will be able to watch it from here. So instead of, just using web, because as you can see, sometimes there is a pop-up, you tap on it, but then it just doesn't open the video. So yeah, that's what it is.